Okay, one question that I see over and over again is how do you enable anti-aliasing on QML shapes? If you have no idea what that word means, it basically smooths out an image. So here we have a circle, it's nice and smooth, and here we have a circle that's not so smooth. This is actually what the circle looks like when the computer draws it, but anti-aliasing smooths it out, makes it look pretty. Older QML, you would have to go into the C++ and do a little bit of a modification. More modern C++ and QML, you really don't need to mess with this. So let's take a look. So we're going to say row, and we're going to say anchors. Let's go ahead and center and parent. Spacing, let's put this as 20. And let's make two rectangles. So we're going to say rectangle. And I want the width. Height 200. Let's go ahead and set the border. We're going to set the color to red. Border width. Let's go ahead and set that to 20. And let's set the radius to the same as the width, so it's a nice circle. And I'm going to actually get rid of that and say anchors, center in parent. Just whipping through this very, very quickly. There's no sense in spending a long time talking about this. Turned on. And let's just take this whole object, copy this, paste it. Notice how they both say turned on. Let's save and run. And voila, they're both smooth. So anti-aliasing is pretty much on by default. You don't have to play around with it. So let's show you how to turn that off. Super, super simple. Just simply set that to false. Anti-aliasing false, and you'll see what it looks like when the computer actually draws it. You see how it's very, very jagged. So when in doubt, leave anti-aliasing on because it makes it nice and smooth. But if you start running into some performance issues, like if you're on an embedded device or something like that, then you may need to actually turn that off. But notice it's turned on by default.